What is good? What is good? Bike Iverson hitting you again with some free game, free Harley Davidson update. We'll be doing another video on my 8-ball victory, but not today. Today we're going to be showing you where the heck is that input to plug in your charger, plug in your cigarette holder, plug in anything. Where the heck is that on the Harley? So, we have our bat wing right here. We have our bat wing right here. And if you look on the left of your bat wing, on the handlebars, go all the way under, all the way down. See that skull? That, without falling, is your input that you're looking for. Yep, that's it. That's the thing you're looking for. And that is located right under the bat wing. Right there. Now, unfortunately, on these Harleys, we don't have two of those. We only have one. So that pretty much solves your problem. You can plug in your iPhone, the fat piece. I usually get the dual ones. That way I can plug in two things. I can plug in my charger, and I could also plug in a portable charger to charge up, whatever. Anything for the long tour, anything for the long ride. And that pretty much solves your problem there. So, hope this video was very useful for you. And hopefully, that solves your problem. Drop a comment below. Hit subscribe. Check out my other content. It's very useful and very helpful. Thanks for tuning in with Bike Iverson. Cheer, cheer.